Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an avatar on your WhatsApp and also how to make use of the avatars on your WhatsApp. Now, the first thing I need to do is to go ahead and open WhatsApp application. And once you have it open, go ahead and navigate to the settings section. To locate the setting, click on the three-dotted icon on the top right-hand area and then click on the settings. Now, when you click on settings, you can notice where it says avatar. Go ahead and click on avatar right there, and you're going to notice it displays a banner like this, and also below it you are going to see a button where it says create your avatar. Now go ahead and click on create your avatar, and it's going to load up and show you everything you need to do on starting your avatar. And you can notice it says there are even more information that says say more with avatar now with WhatsApp. And now if you read more, if you read further, you are going to notice where it says personalize your avatar appearance and all those stuff. You can go ahead and read and get a feel of how the avatar works and all those stuff. But if you're ready to create, let's go ahead and click on the create button. So when you click on the create button, it's going to bring you to this particular section where you have to select your skin tone. Go ahead and choose your skin tone depending on the skin tone you have. So I'm going to choose this particular one. I think I'm okay with that, although it's a bit light, not too light. So I'm going to click on that and click next. This is cool. And then I'm okay with this hair because I have like afro, but not really like that. But I'm just going to settle with the other one. So if for some reason, guys, you want to actually go back anytime you want, if you want to go back and make some adjustment, you can always come here and select your skin tone once more. But if not, just go ahead and click on the hair area and then choose your hair. And if you are a female, go ahead and choose any of these female hairstyle. And if you are done, come over to the color section and choose your hair color. That is if you want your hair color to be different, but I think I'm okay with a black hair color. And I'm going to come over to the outfit area and choose a particular outfit that I think will be okay, or I'll be fine with. I think I'll be fine with this one. And then come over to the body type. Now if you are actually a female, this will actually vary, and you can notice this is for female, but since I'm not a female, I'm going to go with this. I think I'm okay with that. So go ahead and play around it and choose the appropriate one, the one that corresponds or the one that perfectly fits your physique. So when you're done, come over to the eye shape size area or the eye shape area, and then you choose your particular eye shape. This first one is actually okay, but I can also select this because it still look very much like my eye shape. But you know what, I'm going to choose this one. And then you can select the color of your eye also. Mine is just black. There is no special. And if you are a female, go ahead and click on this makeup section and then choose any of this makeup. Then come over to the eyebrow. Also, this is also for female, and I'm going to choose this because I'm perfectly okay with that. And this also look okay, but I do not have much hair, so I'm going to choose this one. And then the color is still the same, is default color black, and I think that should be it. And then you can come to the bidu. If you have a bidu, you can go ahead and select that, or maybe you have a ring on your nose, you can come to the nose area and then you select a ring section for it. But I'm going to select a nose without adding a ring. But if you want to add a piercing or a nose piercing, come to this area and select any one you think will be okay for you. And then for the lip section, I am going to adjust that also. So I'm going to choose this particular one because that is exactly how my lips look like. And if you are female, choose this particular lip color and then select your lip color. But then I'm going to skip that because I do not have any lip color. And for the hairstyle, I think the shape of my face is a bit V type. This is actually not bad, but I think this is actually very accurate. So or probably this, I think this is more accurate. And then you can choose a face marking, that is if you have a face marking. I actually have, but you will rarely see it anywhere because I have a little dark area on the side of my eye, but I will rarely see that. So these are all. And for the facial hair, I sincerely do not have a facial hair right now, but if I could choose anyone, I would have to choose this because I have a little facial hair which is very tiny, still growing. But you know what, I'm just going to say no facial hair because I actually do not have any facial hair. And if you are female, click on the ear piercing and select the particular ear piercing that you want. Also, if you are interested in adding some of these gadgets, you can go ahead and add an ear device on it and also go ahead and color it. But because I do not add anyone, there is no need for me to color it. And then for the eye section, if you use Google like me, I also use Google, but I do not use Google all the time, so I can actually choose that. And I also have different type of Google. I also have this particular type and this one, but I'm not choosing any one for this case, so I'm going to click that and then I'm going to swipe. And I do not like to wear head cover or headwear, so I'm going to skip this. But if you want to add that, you can always go ahead and click on that to add it. But if you're like me, just deselect and continue. So once you're done, just click on done. Like now, I think I'm okay. And then I'm going to click on save changes and it's going to load up and save. So I'm going to click on next, and you can notice right now this is currently active. Now there are different stickers right here, and also if you want to make it as your profile image, you can always click on this area and say create profile image. And now under this area you can select different profile image. Let's say this. I think I'm actually okay with that. Body color, or let me settle with this first one. There are different ones anyway. You can select anyone like so. There are so many of them. Just choose anyone you think that would fit perfectly to what you like or what you want. I'm going to settle with this and I'm going to click on this check icon and it's going to be active. And also you notice right now it's currently active, and whenever I come over to my profile area, you can always see that is my profile image. And then one more thing, guys, if for some reason you want to react to a message with the sticker or the avatar, whenever you click on this area, click on the emoji section, or probably this emoji section on the top area. Let me go back. Click on the image section, click on this emoji section, and you can notice the avatar blinking on the bottom. It usually doesn't do that, but you can notice this avatar icon right there. Click on the avatar icon and you can always go ahead and choose any avatar you want, and there you go. This is your avatar. So you can react to so many avatars. There are so many of them. You can click on love, click on happy, sad, angry, reaction. There are so many reaction. Click on lifestyle. There are so many of them. And if for some reason you can click on edit, you can always edit your avatar anytime you want. Change the clothing to whatever you want or whatever you think that fits perfectly. And guys, that is all I want to share with you on today's video. If you have any question on how to use the avatar, please let me know on the comment section. This is actually very easy. And guys, I will see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.